Hey everybody, it's SuperGirl KY here again with another Cricut creation, and today we are going to be making birthday little treat boxes. To start off, I went ahead and I searched for birthday Chinese boxes just to get some ideas, and the first one right away was perfect, but there are other options if you would like to choose those as well. After I selected it and I added it to my canvas, I went ahead and made sure the size was just right to what my liking was, and I adjusted it so that it is 11.5 wide just to better utilize the whole sheet of paper I was going to be using. Next, I changed the color to black so it would better just stand out. Once everything looked good, I went ahead and clicked Make It. Checked that all the layouts were good, and I went ahead and sent it to the Cricut. I then got the pieces of paper I was going to be using ready to be cut. Once everything was cut, I went ahead and laid it out. Starting with the box itself, you go ahead and glue on your happy birthday, followed by folding all of those little score marks in the desired locations that the scorer scored. And you'll quickly see where we need to glue. Now, assembling it is slightly difficult. However, once you get it right, it holds very well. Then you're going to glue along the edge and go ahead and add in whatever kind of ribbon you would like. I purposely made the ends of mine long so that I could go ahead and curl them with my scissors and just make the box a little extra special. And this box was able to hold all of the candies except for the ring pop, and it turned out pretty cute. If you haven't already, please subscribe. Go ahead and comment down below what project you would like me to work on next. And as always, it has been a pleasure, and have a super day.